What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to delete everything on your PC. So without any further ado, let's get to the video. Let me tell you one thing first. My PC is currently Windows 10 and for Windows 11 it is the same too. So you can use this technique for both of the Windows systems, operating systems. So all you have to do is go to your settings and search for recovery options. Once you are there, you can see an option reset PC and you have to click on get started. And if you want to keep your files and remove the apps and settings, you can click on it. And if you want to remove everything, your personal files, apps, settings, everything, you can click on this. So if you want to keep some of your files, and click on this keep my files. And if you want to remove everything, so then click on remove everything. And yeah, that's it. If you click on these, your PC will reset everything accordingly. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.